Hey folks, welcome back. Today we're following raspberries from the field all the way to finished desserts inside this incredible modern factory. Let's go see where it all begins.
Looks like a good crop today.
Raspberries are among the most delicate fruits grown in North America. They bruise easily, spoil quickly, and must be harvested.
Section 3's ready to start.
Copy that. Start with the east side rows.
Every berry is picked by hand at peak ripeness. That careful selection is critical because dessert manufacturers will
Take the dark red ones only. This row's producing great. Leave that one till tomorrow.
Speed matters just as much as care. Once picked, raspberries need to move quickly into shaded, cooled staging areas.
Coming through with a full load.
Log this batch. Keep those trays single layered.
Before leaving the farm, every tray is identified by harvest block, time, and lot number. That traceability follows the fruit all the way through dessert production and final packaging.
That one goes on truck 2. Okay. Make sure the seal is tight.
This stage is all about protecting freshness. The fruit is tagged, cooled, and moved fast, because even a short delay can affect the texture.
Cold chain protection begins before the berries ever leave the farm. Keeping temperatures stable now helps preserve color, structure, and flavor for the dessert plant ahead.
Bring that pallet forward. Easy now, bring it straight in.
By this point, the fruit has already passed through timing, tagging, and temperature control. Now it's headed toward the factory, where speed and precision become even more important.
That's the last full truck.
Fresh fruit doesn't wait. Modern logistics allow berries harvested just hours earlier to move directly into high-capacity dessert production with remarkable speed, and you're cleared for receiving Dock B. Once the fruit arrives, the receiving process becomes highly controlled. Timing, documentation, and food safety procedures.
Scale confirmed. Proceed to inspection bay.
Color looks strong, no visible collapse.
Receiving teams don't just unload fruit. They verify temperature, paperwork, condition, and traceability, separating each lot according to strict quality and safety protocols.
This lot goes straight to pre-wash.
Keep the flow gentle. Watch the intake rate.
The first wash removes field residue without damaging. Water temperature, pressure, and movement are carefully controlled to protect texture while improving cleanliness.
This is where the factory really takes over. The berries are cleaned, documented, and guided into controlled processing systems that prepare the
Reject tray on the right.
Yeah.
This batch looks clean.
After washing, excess surface moisture has to be removed. Controlled air drying helps prepare the fruit for consistent handling in the mechanical stages ahead. Bring the intake down 2%.
Feed rate is holding steady now.
From here, the berries move into the heart of the factory. Cleaning is complete, preparation is underway, and the real transformation into raspberry desserts is about to begin.
Primary line is stable, hold the intake.
This is the point where whole raspberries begin turning into the base of multiple dessert products. Flow, pressure, and temperature all have to remain tightly controlled.
Start the sweetener feed now.
Stage 2 is in, keep blending.
Heating is carefully managed here to develop flavor, improve consistency, and prepare the mixture for downstream dessert applications without damaging the character of the fruit.
Pressure looks clean across the bank.
Homogenization helps create the smooth, consistent texture consumers expect. It's one of the key steps that turns fruit-based mixtures into premium dessert products.
Switch that batch to line 2.
Confirmed.
At this point, texture becomes just as important as flavor. Controlled aeration and folding help create the light, creamy mouthfeel many raspberry desserts are known for.
Bubble count is dropping nicely.
Final prep line is clear for QC.
Before any batch can move forward, it has to be verified. Texture, temperature, flavor profile, and safety all come under close examination.
Up to this point, the factory has transformed fresh berries into a finished dessert base. Now the lab steps in to make sure every batch performs exactly the way it should.
Sample is headed to texture and pH.
Quality control teams verify far more than appearance. They measure consistency, acidity, density, and stability to make sure every batch behaves exactly as designed.
Color is within range.
Viscosity passed on line 3. Quality has cleared the batch for filling.
Line A is ready to start filling.
Modern filling systems are calibrated for extraordinary accuracy. Every container receives the same amount of product, helping maintain.
Lane merge is clean, keep it moving.
Storage. Sealing protects freshness, prevents contamination, and gives the product the shelf stability needed for distribution.
One reject on the lane, everything else is clean. Date print is sharp and centered.
Once coating is complete, individual cups are organized into retail packs that make transportation, stocking, and consumer purchase easier and more efficient.
Seal looks tight. Send it through.
Automated palletizing helps protect the product while increasing speed. Every case is stacked in a precise pattern designed for stability during storage and transportation.
Put that pallet in aisle 4, bay 12.
By the time the product reaches the dock, every cup has been filled, sealed, coated, packed, palletized.
Back it out slow, that row is set.
After an extraordinary journey through harvesting, transport, processing, testing, and packaging, the final product arrives where consumers actually